The sixth strategy is to work with brands as an influencer. Brands are investing more and more in influencer marketing and sponsorships, spending their typically large advertising budgets on influencers who've already won the loyalty of their audience. This creates a massive opportunity for you as a creator if you can negotiate the right deals. Shopify Collabs makes it easy to find brands that match your content and values. Build affiliate relationships, get paid for what you sell, and track everything in one place. Brendan Gahan, a YouTube marketing expert and influencer, recommends establishing your baseline flat fee by looking at the number of views your videos typically get and multiplying it by 5 cents to 15 cents per view, which is around what many brands are willing to pay for views via YouTube ads. According to data from WebFX, the potential prices for influencer marketing on YouTube are $20 per video for a YouTuber with 1,000 subscribers, $200 per video for a YouTuber with 10,000 subscribers, $2,000 per video for a YouTuber with 100,000 subscribers, $20,000 per video for a YouTuber with 1 million subscribers, depending on your leverage, your target audience, content quality, and how unique and profitable your niche is. You might be able to negotiate a better deal if the brand is a good fit. The key when partnering on brand-sponsored content is to be transparent about it, not endorsing anything you don't actually like or believe in, and being upfront with your audience about why you're doing it.